Hello. This is the Unscripted channel, so you never know what's going to show up on here. That's why I made this channel. So myself and others could just get together, we could chat, we could talk about things that don't belong on the main channel. You may have been wondering, where the heck has Kev been for 9 months? Well, fine. I wasn't going to make this video. I wasn't going to reveal this because it's kind of whatever. About 9 months ago, I had a stroke. Really, really serious. I woke up, got out of bed, do. Oh, wow. Now YouTube's going to flag that because I just did some Beatles thing. I woke up. I had no idea where I was. I didn't know what my name was. Like nothing. I couldn't tell you what the color blue was. I didn't even know colors. Blah, 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 blah. So I have been in recuperation mode for the past 9 months, hence the lack of videos and the lack of doing these things. That's a long story. To make it short, I'm back. I currently see fine. I can do things fine. I obviously figured out how to do this and make a video just fine. The only thing I'm left with is half my sight. Boop. Hand gone. Don't care about that so much as my reading. Apparently, this is all brain stuff. When I had the stroke, it fragulated the brain, boom, and I can't read worth a crap. I'm getting better at it. It's really, really slow. I just sit there and I read and I go word, 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 which is great because it used to be that I couldn't even tell you what a color was. Anyway, long story short, I am coming back with a vengeance. Right before this happened, I had all these great plans for this channel and for the main YouTube channel that I had to just, I have it all down. I had it all planned out to just really expand everything and to give you a lot more value, especially over here. But stuff happened. Now, from this point forward, what I'm going to do is, obviously, I'm going to start making videos again because I figured out how to do that. And I'm going to start posting them. Not so much on the this channel, because the problem with this channel doing the live streams, I do the live streams, and of course a lot of that is people are commenting and leaving stuff, and I can't tell what they're saying at all. So I'm not going to be doing much of that here, but I will be posting occasional videos and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm doing fine. I'm told I'm breakneck speed recovery guy, which after 9 months, I'm like, what's taking so long? I am coming back. I will be making videos. I think I figured out how to do that over there. And there you go. I hope that you are all doing well. I hope this finds you well. I'm fine. I'm coming back. Thanks for not giving up on me. Really, from the bottom of my heart, thanks for not giving up on me. I'm still here. I'm going to come back with a vengeance very soon. I'm starting to make some videos over at the other channel. Maybe 2-3 videos. I'm going to do something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, which is what I tell other people to do, is putting some in the queue. So I have 3 or 4 in the queue. So I don't have to freak out every week and go, oh, I need to make a video. Anyway, that's coming. Thank you all for hanging with me. Please do. Go ahead and leave a comment. Go ahead, whatever you want to do, it's fine. It helps me to learn how to read. Shorter comments are better. I really miss you guys. We will see you soon. I love you all, and thanks for watching.